Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to install PHP in your Windows computer. First of all, open a browser and search PHP download. You will see the official website of PHP and click on that. After that, scroll down and you will see Windows downloads. So click on that. You will see there are a lot of options, and today I am going to install PHP 8.5 and first we need to download the zip file of PHP. Okay, click on that. The download is start already. So as already I have installed, I have already downloaded the PHP file. I'm not going to download it. I will find my PHP zip file on download folder. So this is the PHP zip file. So first we need to extract the zip file. Extract here. Okay, here is the extracted version of PHP file. So I have to keep the folders. First of all, we need to rename the files. Rename. PHP 8.4.8. okay, then copy, and I have to keep the folders on in C drive. Okay, here I have to paste. Okay, as you can see, PHP 8.4.8, the files here. So I have to go inside. Okay, and I just need to track the path. So here click on that and you will find the path of the PHP files. So copy the path, and I have to register the path on environment variable. So search environment. Okay, click on that and you will see environment variables. Click on that. If you want to install PHP globally in your computers, so click on path and edit. Now click on new and paste the path. I paste the path and okay and okay. Now check either the PHP installed or not. So command, you'll see command, and how we can check PHP space -v. As you can see, PHP 8.4.8 already installed in my machine. So guys, this is how we can install PHP in our Windows computer. So this is the video. If you find this video helpful, please support me, like this video. Thank you so much.